Hi, my name is Aidel and I am a Business Intelligence Analyst at SRKK. Welcome to SRKK's Educational and Informational Tech video series. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you some tips on how sales managers can take advantage of data in Power BI. As we know, Power BI is a top-tier BI tools for non-technical users to analyze their data by transforming raw data into interesting visualization. So in this video, I will demonstrate on how to maximize the filter function, including some tips to drill down the data. So this is the pre-built dashboard that is already created by me, and I will assume your organization already has a Power BI dashboard to start with. So for example here, you are a manager of this one business unit and you want to see how your team performs. So in this example, I will take one person from the salesperson pile here, and then you want to see his performance in the first quarter. So what you can do is go straight to this month filter and select January. Okay, to select the multiple function, hold down the control button and press the February and March for the first quarter. And you see here on the dashboard, all the visualization here is already filtered out for the January, February and March data. So then next you want to see the performance by the specific salesperson. I will take Amir here. Just press on his name and everything will be filtered. And you see here, here is the top customers under Amir Zulkarnain. Here you can see Ocean Fruit, Rue Technology and Sign Intelligence are one of the top customers. And then here maybe you want to see which product line that is bought by the specific customer. You just can press on the Ocean Fruit. Remember to hold down the control button for multiple selection. So here Ocean Fruit bought this fashion accessories for this amount, $2154. So you see here under Amir, we have an Ocean Fruit customer which bought the fashion accessories for this amount. So we drill down and up until which product line that customer bought under this salesperson. Okay, to remove the filter, just press on the filter again and it will remove everything and revert back. Okay, this time maybe you want to see which seller associated with the specific product. What you can do is go straight to this product line. Okay, maybe this time you want to see health and beauty product line. Just press on this. And you see here is the whole GP by salesperson. You notice here the top one is under Theodore Beckwell, which has a contribution of gross profit $1376 under this product line. Okay, next one, maybe this time you notice here we have a lot of a customer and you might get tired by scrolling everything here. So what you can do is press on this visual and these three buttons will appear. And press on this icon and it will enlarge the charts. Okay, next one, maybe this time it's hard for you to find specific customer that you want to see. What you can do is press on these three dots here and then press sort by customer name. And you can sort ascending to make it in alphabetical order. So here you can easily find which customer that you want to see. Lastly, okay, maybe this time you want to see the data in a table manner or table form. What you can do is, okay, I will erase this month filter first. Okay, under this visual year-to-date sales performance here, we have a bar chart visual, and this time maybe you want to see specific numbers in a table manner, which what you can do, press on this visual, press these three dots and show as table. So here everything here, GP year-to-date, GP and GP target, which includes in this visual but in table manner is shown. Okay, so all in all here, all this filter interaction is a very powerful stuff because usually it can take people a lot of time and resources to obtain these insights in a short time. So hopefully these tips can help you to increase more productivity when using Power BI dashboards. So that's all from me. Thank you. That's it. Thank you for tuning in into the first of the SRKK's educational and informational tech video series. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay home and stay safe.